Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to add your Revolut card to your Google Wallet so you can start making contactless payments directly from your phone. This process works exactly the same as adding any other bank card, and it only takes a few moments to set up. First, you need to open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the button at the bottom right that says Add to Wallet and tap on it. From the list of options that pops up, you are going to select Payment Card. At this point, the app will ask you to enter your Revolut card details. You can either use your camera to scan the physical card or choose the option to enter the details manually. You'll need to provide the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back. If you are using a virtual Revolut card, you can find these details by jumping into your Revolut app, tapping on the cards icon, and selecting Show Details. Now, the important thing is that Google Wallet requires a security verification to make sure it's actually you adding the card. After you enter your details, the screen might go black for a second due to security protocols, but Google will then ask for confirmation from your Revolut bank app. You'll see a button that says Connect to Revolut or Verify with Bank. When you click that, it will automatically redirect you to your Revolut app. You will need to log in using your passcode or Face ID, and then tap the button to confirm the connection to Google Wallet. Now, that goes both ways. Once you verify the link in the Revolut app, it will send you back to Google Wallet, where you will see a confirmation that your card is set up and ready to go. You can now use your phone to pay at any terminal that accepts contactless payments. Just remember that you must have NFC enabled in your phone settings for this to work at the register. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.